and the eclipses, everything is done. The diagrams are done, the explanation and done. The previous chapter, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, both diagrams you have drawn, understood also how this occurs, how shadows occur, light, shadow, and eclipses. Chapter is clear to everybody? Yes. Karthik is roaming there at the back. I have seen Karthik. Yeah. Okay. Then, is there anything which is left? I don't think so. I don't think so. Anything is left. We have done exercises. We have done question answers. Now today, new chapter: the sun, moon, and the earth. Open new chapter, page number 105. The sun, moon, and the earth. First, mark the diagrams that you have to draw from this chapter. Okay. The diagrams that you have to draw are first the solar system. Put a tick mark there. The solar system. Page number 105. Solar system. Good morning. Once open page number 105 of science. Solar system diagram you have to draw. Then turn page. The moon. Then phases of moon. Then turn page. Layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. Okay. Then turn page. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption. Hania is there in the group. Where is Hania? Not joined. Not joined, na? Tanzeel also has not joined. I will send you the PDF of the diagrams that you have to draw. Okay? Draw the volcanic eruption also, and earthquake also, solar system, the moon, phases of the moon. All these diagrams you have to draw. Solar system will be drawn on one page horizontally. Okay? Yes, because these are the big diagrams. So you will take one full page to draw it. And that too horizontally you will draw. You will turn the copy and then draw it horizontally. Now let's do one activity which is given on page number 105 of this chapter before starting it. It is a kind of recall exercise that you all have studied in the previous classes till now. So we are going to do this recall exercise today, and then diagrams you will do. In the next science class, we are going to start the explanation and reading of the lesson. Okay, so let's do this exercise. Pencils are ready in your hands. Good. We live on planet dash. Earth, right there, Earth. Very good. Yes. Right there, Earth. Right quickly. It is the part of dash system. Solar system. Very good. Very good. Right there, solar. Hmm. Right there, solar. Then next, the dash and the dash planets form the solar system. The sun and the eight planets. The sun and the sun and how come you are late, Ritisha, today in joining the class? Okay, no problem. No problem. The sun and the eight planets. We are on page number 105, Ritisha, and doing the activity. The shape of our planet is dash. Spherical. Spherical. S P, write the spelling. Spherical. 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 Okay, next. It shows two types of movements, rotation and very good, revolution. Very good, revolution. 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 Okay. Next. Dash causes day and night. Dash causes seasons. Rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution causes seasons. Yes. First, you have to write rotation, and in the second blank, you have to write revolution. Hmm. Rotation is spinning of the earth in itself on its axis, and revolution means taking circle and moving around the sun. So when it spins orbit, when it spins amongst itself on its axis, it causes day and night. When it faces the sun, day. When it faces another side, night. And when it moves in the orbit around the sun, it causes season. When it is near the sun, summer season. When it is away the sun, winter season. Just now, the earth is away from the sun. So we are having the start of winter season. Are you getting it? Okay. Hmm. Yes, Vidisha. Manvi will tell. Manvi tell. The dash and the dash planets. Manvi tell. Manvi, where are you, Manvi? Manvi gone? Manvi left? Manvi? Manvi, have you written the answer better or not? Mm-hmm. Okay. Kshitij, you tell. Yes, the sun and the eight planets. Ritisha, right. The sun and the eight planets. Now we are on the next blank, that is the earth rotates on its dash axis. Very good. AXIS axis. The dash divides the earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This I have explained you. Very good. Equator. Equator. This we had studied in detail in social studies in the previous lessons. Equator. Then the earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. Layer of gases are there. Layer of gases. The atmosphere, called the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. The earth pulls all the objects towards itself due to the force called gravity. Gravity, yes, gravity. Yes, surrounded by a layer of gases. Okay. Again, I'm repeating the diagrams. Mute your mic, Ritisha. The voice is echoing. Agam, you mute your mic. Ritisha, you mute your mic. Tech channel, you mute your mic. Sure, have you written the answers? Very good. Okay, good. I'm repeating all the answers again. If anybody has missed out, kindly check. We live on the planet Earth. It is the part of the solar system. The sun and the eight planets form the solar system. The shape of our planet is spherical. It shows two types of movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and night, revolution causes seasons. The earth rotates on its axis. The equator divides the earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The earth is surrounded by the layer of gases called atmosphere. The atmosphere contains gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. The earth pulls all the objects towards itself due to the force called gravity or gravitational force. Okay, now the diagram, see again that you have to draw the solar system. This will be drawn on full one page. Then the moon, phases of moon, again phases of moon has to be drawn on the full page. Then turn page, layers of the earth, then earthquake and volcanic eruption on the next page. I'm going to send you the PDF. Your homework is that you have to draw the diagrams and read the lesson. In the next class, we will start with the explanation. Clear? Okay.